How to fix your frozen iPhone in iOS 16. Take a look at my iPhone 12 mini which got frozen and it's not letting me to go to the home screen. There may be a lot of reasons that the iPhone gets frozen and the system UI won't respond to the end user. This video will show you how to fix your frozen iPhone, and this guide will work on any iPhone with a notch display and a haptic home button. Other iPhone users, please refer to the Apple documentation. As you can see, this is my iPhone 12 mini running iOS 16 and it's the second time it got frozen. I was shooting a 4K video at 60 FPS and used my iPhone for 20 minutes. After shooting some 4K clips, I decided to airdrop to my Mac to save the iPhone storage. And guess what? As soon as I bring up the share sheet, my iPhone got frozen. Just take a look at this. I can't go to the home screen. The control center and the lock screen is the only thing which is working. Anyway, if you end up running this issue on your iPhone, you can follow this video to bring it back to normal. Don't worry, your data is on the safer side. First of all, to fix any frozen iPhone with a notch display, you need to press these buttons very instantly. First, press and release the volume up. Then press and release the volume down. Now hold the side button for 5 to 10 seconds to bring up the power menu. You need to be very quick while pressing these buttons to bring up the power menu. Now just use the slider to turn off your iPhone. Now once it goes black, leave your iPhone for 60 seconds and then turn on normally. This will fix your frozen iPhone with a notch display. If in case you're having an iPhone that has a haptic based home button, then you should follow this method. Now as you can see, this is my iPhone 7 Plus. So to fix any frozen iPhone with a haptic home button, you need to hold all the main physical buttons that are power, volume up and volume down along with the virtual home button. Just go ahead, hold these 4 buttons at the same time and wait for 7 seconds until your screen goes black. Once it's done, release all the buttons and let your iPhone restart on its own. Now this way you can force restart your frozen iPhone with a haptic home button. And that's pretty much it. I guess this video will help many users, and thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.